In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to set a page as homepage in WordPress. First of all, go to the left hand menu in your WordPress dashboard and hover over settings, and from here we have to go to permalink section. Here make sure the option post name is selected. This is the recommended permalink structure because it keeps your URLs clean and SEO friendly. Once selected, scroll down and click on Save Changes button. Now let's assign the actual home page. Again, from the left hand menu, we need to go to settings, and under it, we need to go to the reading section. And here under the section your home page displays, select the option that says a static page. This allows you to manually choose which page should be your home page. In the home page drop down, select the page you want to use as your main home page, usually a page titled home. Then in the post page drop down, choose the page where you want your blog post to appear. This is often a page titled blog. Once you have selected both, scroll down and click Save Changes, and that's it. You have now successfully assigned your home page and blog page in WordPress. You can visit your website to see the changes live. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.